Hi, in this video in the MRDCL Fundamental series, we're going to look at how you can easily get figures from tables run in MRDCL into charts in Excel and PowerPoint. You'll find the files from this video in the folder tab 05. Now, one important run control parameter you want to make this easy is you want the run control parameter CSV2 in there, so that you'll get the figures in a CSV2 file that you can then manipulate. You might want to add the R on the end of that so that it produces rounded figures, because many clients like to see charts that actually match the percentages, for example, in the table. So even though a percentage might be 55.7 that's getting rounded up to 58, they'd like to see it to 58 in the chart rather than the actual figure 55.7. So R on the end will round your figures and percentages so they appear exactly as they are in the tables. So I'm going to run these tables very quickly, and that will, in the folder I'm working, produce me a CSV file in the tables.csv file. And you'll see what comes out is in column A you'll get markers indicating what's in each row of the tables. And so I could make a chart on the figures here quite easily by picking the RW rows. However, if I wanted to chart the percentages, you'll see that they're one away from the actual figures or the actual text here of what's in those rows. So it's a good idea when you're doing this to decide whether you want to do your charts on figures or percentages. Let's go back to our script here and see how we deal with that. So let's go to Start Tables, and in here you might decide that if you want to do figures on charts, you might put MRDCL on here, so you suppress the raw counts, whereas if you were going to do charts on figures, you might do NRTV so that you didn't get any percentages in your output. It'll make it easier for you for charting later. I'm going to do MRDCL here, so I just get percentages. I'm going to run that again very quickly, go back to the folder where my tables are, and now I can start to work on these in Excel. Now, let's say I want to do a chart on some figures here. Let's say I want to do a quick chart of males and females in here. What I can do is that I can use the data filter function in here and deselect everything first, select the column labels, scroll down, select the PV, which is the percentages, and select the VT, which is the title. And you'll see now that I've just got a bank of figures that I can start to do my charts on. And it becomes much easier now to pick what I want to do a chart on. So if I wanted to do a chart on males and females, I could just select those cells there, insert a chart. Let's pick this particular chart here, click OK, and I've got a chart, and then I could expand that by assigning the text in this particular cell here as my chart title and build my chart. So this is the very easy way that you can get from figures in MRDCL to charts. It's best to either do percentages or whole numbers as I described using format options, but using the filter option, it makes it very easy just to have all the rows you want side by side so that you can easily get to the charts that you want and the figures that you want. I hope that video was helpful to you. Thank you.